Hey, hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment for all your questions and clarifications. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. Our lesson for today is how to factors trinomial that where a is equals to 1. Okay, so let us review from multiplying binomials using FOIL method. Okay, for example, multiply x plus 3 and x plus 2. So we have to distribute FOIL, and then we have here x times x plus x times 2 plus 3 times x plus 3 times 2. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. That is equals to x squared plus 5x plus 6. All right, so all problems that are considered trinomial squares will be able to be factored by taking the square roots of the first and last terms. So, for example, x squared minus 14x plus 49. So, for first term and last terms only. Okay. Now, for factoring trinomials, we have method number one. So, we will factor trinomials such as x squared plus 7x plus 12. So back into binomial. So this is reverse of a FOIL method. Now, if the x squared term has no coefficients other than 1, then we have, okay, so first step 1, less all the pairs of numbers that multiply to equal to constant 12. No? Of course, pairs of numbers. So we have here 12 is equals to 1 times 12, and then 2 times 6, and then 3 times 4. But look at this. If you add 1 plus 12, that's 13. So that definitely not 7. 2 plus 6 is 8, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So probably our factors here is this one, no? So we have, okay, and then choose the pair that adds up to the middle coefficients. Okay, so that is 3 plus 4. Fill those numbers into the blanks in the binomial. So we have here, so since the square, the x squared is xx, and then therefore we just fill in on the equation. So this is what we have: x plus 3 and x plus 4. Thus, x squared plus 7x plus 12 is equals to x plus 3 times x plus 4. So this is the factor form. Now, let's have another example. So this time the constant is a negative. So how are we going to do that? List the pairs of numbers that multiply to equal the constant negative 24. So to get negative 24, one number must be positive and one should be negative. Okay, so these are the factors of negative 24. So 1 times negative 24, or negative 1 times 24, 2 times negative 12, or negative 2 times 12, 3 times negative 8, or negative 8 times 4, and 4 times negative 8, or 4 or negative 4 times 6. Okay, all right. Then step 2, which pair adds up to 2? So of course we have this one. So negative 4 plus 6, so that is positive 2. Then write the binomial factors for, so we got here, no, x minus 4, then x plus 4. So this is the final answer, okay? That's great. Now let's have method number 2. How are we going to do this? So we have factor x squared minus 11x plus 24. This time, the middle factor is negative. So step 1, list all the pairs of numbers that multiply to equal to the constant negative 20 or 24 positive 24. Since the middle factor is negative, the numbers used to get 24 must also be negative, because negative is positive, like this one, no? So negative 1 times negative 24, negative 2 times negative 12, negative 3 times negative 8, and negative 4 times negative 6. But if you are going to add, no, then which pair adds up to 11? Of course, we have this. So negative 3 times negative 8. Okay, so because 8 plus 3 is 11 and they are negative 11. Write the binomial factors in step 3 and then we have, okay. So this is on x minus 3 and x minus 4. Get it? All right. So for your, okay. So let's try to do this as an example. Okay. So here, what do you think the answer here? So we have x. So what are the factors of 12? So probably for 12, we have 4 times 3. So this is negative. The answer should be negative 4 and positive 3. Why? Because negative 4 plus 1, that is negative x. Or negative, yeah, negative x is the result. What about here? So we have 12. So again, so this is, that means we get both negative. Okay, so please wait. Going to erase. You have x minus 4. So since our middle is negative 7, so all our answers should be negative. Yeah, okay, minus 3. That's the factor actually. Now, next we have 8x. So if you can see, we have 8 and 2. These are more, all of them are positive. So x plus 2 and or 6, I mean 8 plus x plus 6. Okay, so 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 times 6 is 12. That's correct. Next, let's have there this one, another, no. Okay, so we have here 4x. So what's the other factors? So wha- let's 6 and 2 is still the answer, no, but 1 is positive. So we can have x plus 2, I don't know, minus x minus 2, and then x plus 6. Okay, that's it. Because 6 minus 2 is 4. And negative 2 plus negative plus 6 is negative 12. Okay, what about number 10? So we have 24 here. So we have x. 24, what are the factors of 24? If we get 10, so we can have 6 and 4. So we can have plus 4 plus 6. Good. Because 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. And 4 times 6 is 24. Easy, right? What about this one? So we got 2x here. So that means I'm gonna put the answer at the top, no, because the space is not so possible for us. So we have 2x. So that means one is 2x, the other one is x. Okay, so what are the factors of 12? We can use 4. Let's try, no? And 3. Okay, so here we have 4x, and then we have here 3 times 2 is 6. That is 6x. And 6 plus 4 is 10. So cannot be. Cannot be, no? So what other factors of 12 we get? We can use 6 and 2. Okay, so 6 and 2, let's try. X. I don't know, we can have 2x here. Plus 6 plus 2. Alright, so we have here 12. Oh, 12 plus 2, that is already 8. So, sobra naman ngayon. So, what shall we do again? This is a trial and error method, you know. Okay, you can put 2 here. And x. Okay, what are the other factors of ano? Again, let's go back from 4 and 3. 4. Okay, so 4 and okay, cannot be, no? Let's try 3 and 4. 3, 4. 3x and 6x. That's 8x. So this is 2x times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So that means our final answer is 2x plus 3 and x plus 4. Get it? It's easy. Okay, so all you have to do is trial and error method, you know? So perhaps you can do it alone. Okay, next. Do it in your own. All right, so for your journal number 3, okay, um, this is a Bible verse from 1 Corinthians 15, verse 28. However, when all things are subjected to him, or Christ, then the Son himself will also be subjected to the one, the Father, who put all things under him, so that God may be all in one. So manifesting his glory without any opposition, the supreme indwelling and controlling factor of life. So, in other words, what we do in the name of Jesus is what we also do in the name of the Father, that who created us. Okay, for your you can state your opinion, your ideas in Tagalog, but I prepare you do it in English. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. And to all my friends, the Whitey friends, Whitey's International, Foodie, Food friends, and the Organic Barcadas, thank you for always supporting. Thank you for always be there. Love you all, guys.